How to create custom paper sizes in the Printers and Scanners menu in Windows 11. Through the Printers and Scanners menu, you can create a custom paper size option for all of your print jobs. From the taskbar, search for and select Printers and Scanners. Select your printer and then click Printing Preferences. Click the Paper Quality tab and then click Custom. Click New. Type a name for the custom paper size, select the width and height, and then click OK to save the paper size. Load the custom paper into the main tray on your printer. Then, slide the paper width guides in until they rest against the edges of the paper. Open the item you want to print, click File, and then click Print. In the Print window, click Printer Properties. Click the Paper Quality tab, click the Paper Size drop-down menu, and then select the paper size you created. Then select OK. Note, if you do not see your custom paper size displayed in the list, it is possible your printer does not support the custom size. Check the printer specifications for supported paper sizes. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.